Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an after work pick up the house video. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm working during the week, the last thing I feel like doing is picking up my house. You'll see I have a ton of laundry to fold. I kind of just threw it. My guest bedroom is a disaster, and my actual bedroom just has clothes everywhere. The first thing I'm going to do is diffuse my new oils that I got in the mail. They smell so good. I highly recommend Eden's Garden for any of your essential oils. And honestly, with my cleanup, I'm just going to take it room by room and slowly put my house back together. In my spray bottle, I just mixed together a cap full of thieves and filled the rest up with water. I don't know what your place is like, but if you ever have one of these bar things in the kitchen / dining room area, it's like the clutter attraction zone, I swear on my life. Here I go, folding laundry on top of laundry. If you guys are wondering why I have separate laundry and these guys hang drying, it's because all of Max's shirts cannot be dried in the dryer with the high heat, so I just hang dry them on one of these drying racks. You're about to see a quick outfit change. You staring at yourself? God, just staring at himself. Hey guys, I just wanted to end this video with a huge thank you actually to Primo for sending me and my family this water dispenser. I can't even believe it, and I'm so grateful for them. It's unreal. We were actually in the market for a water dispenser, and graciously Primo sent us one, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. We both really appreciate it, and I'm so excited to get this out of the box finally and start using it. And actually Primo is gifting you guys as well with a 20% off. The code is DRINKBIG20 and you'll get 20% off of your purchase as well as free shipping. So I will leave that code down below. I will leave the link for you as well. That'll direct you straight to the water dispenser site, so you'll guys be able to pick whichever water dispenser you want. So their water does go through a 9-step purification process. And also they have 5-gallon jugs, which actually replaces 1,100 water bottles, which I don't know about you guys, but we go through water bottles in this house like crazy. I mean, between just being here, going to work, the gym, it's crazy. It's ridiculous, and we're constantly going through them when we could just nix that off our shopping list and start reusing these water jugs. Enough of me talking, let's start opening. So it looks like it's already starting to, come out. Excuse you. No, sit down. Sit. Stop it. Radco, sit down.
Radco, sit down.
Thank you again, and I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with all of your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm like hanging out with it like it's my friend. Bye. All right.